All right, Billionaire Squad, it's about 8 o'clock in the morning and the kids are asleep, so I'm going to do this video by myself. And I'm actually about to go into Walmart and see if I can buy a meal under $40, okay? Or should we do buying a meal under $20? I don't know, but I think I'm going to do 40 because I need to eat, okay? So we're going to see what we can buy for $40. This is a money saving hack for single moms. So let's get into it, y'all. I'm about to see if I can buy a meal for $40. So come along with me and I'll see you guys in my next video. All right, y'all. I like bananas, but these are looking very much ugly. So let me see if I can find some and I'll see y'all in my next clip. Well, y'all, I like cabbage and cornbread. So that's what I'm finna go get for me because I gotta eat healthy, okay? The kids act like they don't like healthy. So we're gonna see what we get them. All right, guys. So we have the cabbage. We got the Texas toast. We got the spaghetti, bananas, and strawberries, of course. And for some reason, they like noodles. So I got only one pack. Okay, each. And so spaghetti and cabbage is the meal. Let's see if we made $40, y'all. All right, I had to get the brain food, which is the fruit, because that gives us energy. So I got strawberries and bananas. And then I had to get the vegetables, which is the cabbage. Yeah, I can't wait to make a big pot of cabbage. I had to get milk because it's already cereal there. So always make sure that you go and check what's already there. So you just buy the matches. That helps you save money because you're basically just buying the match to what's already at home that you can't use because you don't have the other half. Yeah, get it to it. And then I got spaghetti as just, I'm going to make a big pot of spaghetti just as a go-to meal, you know, because it's already stuff like waffles and other stuff there. So I'm just trying to buy like put with stuff. I had to get their noodles. They like chicken and beef. So I got one pack each because I really don't like my kids eating noodles, but they pretty much will fight me if I don't let them. So comment down below, what can I do to substitute the noodles for the kids? Because I really want them to stop eating that nasty stuff. Okay, let's get into it. Right now we have 27, guys. I'm buying a meal under 40, so let's get into it. All right, I did it, y'all. It's $38.58. All right, gang, we did it. We went grocery shopping for under $40. Honey, we got fruit, we got cabbage, we got spaghetti, we got the milk for the cereal, honey. We did what we had to do, okay? Shout out to the single moms. If you're having a hard time, ladies, just know it is going to get better. Just stick to the script. Manage your money. And look, y'all, I literally love to do the money saving hacks for single moms. I love this because I don't get food stamps. I don't know who do get food stamps, but I don't get food stamps. So I have to manage my money. And listen, honey, it's a real thing when you got to go in there and spend $100 a week on groceries. But if you can buy what you need, keep working, and make meals that last for a day or two, like that spaghetti probably gonna last us 2 days. That big old pot of cabbage, I'm gonna make cornbread with that. That's probably gonna last 2 days. You feel me? So shout out to the single moms. Shout out to the single parents, period, because I know some single dads out there. But stay on your grind, okay? I make these videos because this is my grind. I know one day I'm going to have enough to do for my family and 20 more families, okay? So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope y'all like this video. And we on money saving all 2023, okay? Let's get into it because you're going to look up and you're going to have bags, okay? Big bags. I'll see y'all in my next video.